Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am taking you shopping with me. It's just you, me, the phone. We're gonna go spend some money at Ross. I love Ross. I pretty much shop there 24/7. I have one literally across the street from my house. So I am always in there seeing what's new, buying new things, returning things I didn't like. So I figured why not bring you guys shopping with me. Also shout out to Juicy Jazz because I saw this video on her channel and I was like, okay, this is a sign that I need to bring you guys shopping with me. So with that said, grab your cafecito, grab your to-go cup, grab your purse, grab your money, grab your keys, and let's go shopping. I am at the front of the store. As soon as you walk in, there's a whole display of a ton of perfumes, makeup, and then more perfumes over there. I am on the hunt for some Britney Spears perfume. I am wanting to collect all her scents. But look at this, you guys. Who remembers the balm? Oh my gosh, this used to be the OG brand. They have this, a lip gloss. Everything here is in its packaging, but they have some really cute stuff. I was just looking over it. Look at that. Hourglass. What is this? Looks like it's a little lip trio for $26. They have Roma, I believe. Yep. And they just have a ton of stuff. This is a blush from the balm as well. I didn't even know this brand was still around. And then some Whitney Houston perfumes. They have It Cosmetics, which is one of my favorite moisturizers, the Confidence in a Cream. I love that stuff. These are really good perfumes if you guys are in the hunt for like really sweet and long-lasting scents. I love these. Oh my gosh, they have so much. They have some Too Faced products, Calvin Klein perfumes, Burberry. They have literally whatever you want. You can probably find. Clarins, this is a toner, more Hourglass, and the list goes on and on. The cosmetics, but I really want to get me a Britney Spears perfume. I know they had some last time. So these are all the perfumes they have. I have one perfume and I want to collect them all. Oh my gosh, I used to have this one back in the day. It's probably one of my favorite scents. It's Britney Curious, and this one is $11. Okay, definitely taking this. They have Paris Hilton, Ariana Grande, Jennifer Aniston. This one used to be my favorite as well from Paris Hilton. I loved using this. They have Jimmy Choo, Coach. Looks like they have a Too Faced Born This Way Sunset Stripped palette. This one came out sometime this year and it's on sale for $26.99. Viva La Juicy. If you want something for your husband or your man, Adidas. These tend to smell pretty good. Ed Hardy. My husband used to love Ed Hardy. So yeah, this one smells really good. This is one that I currently have, Fantasy. It's a sweet cotton candy scent. I really like it. I don't wear it as much though because it is a little on the sweeter scent or side. Another Jimmy Choo. So they have all these three Naked Fantasy Sheer, and then, oh, maybe this is the same one as that one. Let me know which one smells the best if you've smelled them. I don't know which one I want to do. I kind of want to go for this one. I think it's about $25. Oh, it's $20. I don't know. This one's calling my name, the packaging and everything. I think I'm gonna go with this one. The chokehold this used to have on me in my 20s. Fancy Love by Jessica Simpson. I was obsessed. This is $15. Oh my gosh, I'm almost tempted to take this just for the memories of it. Oh my gosh, I used to be obsessed. Oh my gosh, they have so many cute sweaters. This one is kind of cute, kind of not. I don't know how I would style this, but I'm gonna pass on it. they have some Forever 21 sweaters. So with a tag on them and everything for $8 versus $35. I mean, these are colors that I would not wear, but to each their own. I mainly want like cardigans or little sweaters and jeans. That's what I really need. I need some jeans. This is so cute. It's dinosaurs. This is perfect for me as a mom that has a dinosaur loving boy. Okay, this one is actually pretty cute. $15. I'm trying to stay on a budget and not overspend, or actually buy things that I'm actually gonna use. Oh, that is so cute. It's like a hot pink cardigan. It's more pink than red. It looks red in picture, but look, gypsy pink. And this one is only $9.99. I don't know how I would style this. Maybe with some boots like this, it would look cute. Here it's another really cute pink top. I'm definitely trying to add a little color to my wardrobe because it is a lackluster. But look at this. This is a cute little like sweater. It's pretty simple, but it's cute. They have a few cute pink cardigans. Look at this one. This one is different from the one that I have. This one is a little bit more of a hot pink, like a bubblegum pink, but they have so many cute colors. And I saw this one. If you love pink, Ross definitely has some cute pink sweaters. These remind me so much of the ones from Amazon from the brand Perfumes, something like that. They're double lined and they're so soft. These are only what, $8, super affordable. And then they also have these that are like more spandexy and they have really cute colors. So if you're looking for some affordable basic tees, these are it. Look at this one. This one is super cute and it's so basic. I love these because you can style them however. Okay, so I'm not having much luck with shirts. Let's look at the jeans. I'm a size 5 usually, but I'm a little picky with my jeans. These are cute. I still like skinny jeans, but I'm definitely more of a baggy girl. See, like these are my style of jeans where they're like loose and ripped, but these are low rise. And your girl has a big tummy, so these just don't look good on me. But they do have some cute styles. I just don't know if they're my style. I'm not really into these denim jeans, honestly. I mean, these are kind of cute, but I'm not seeing anything that I love. These are kind of cute. I like the wash of these. This is the last place I'm gonna look because purses are my weakness, and right now I have been obsessed with collecting Tommy Hilfiger purses. They're so cute and stylish, and they always have like really cute Steve Madden. Sometimes they even have some Aldo bags, so it's a little overwhelming right now. I'm looking for like a white cute small shoulder bag, but I'm not really seeing. Okay, these are adorable. These are so trendy. They're kind of like the puffer style bags. $30. It's not too bad. It's a little pricey. Honestly, actually it is a little pricey, but it is super duper cute. I would buy it for maybe 20. I think that would be so worth it, but this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love Steve Madden purses. They have a lot of different styles. If you like more of a tote bag, these are it too. The amount of stuff they have here is insane. But look at this Batiste. This is my all-time favorite dry shampoo for $10. This is the big size. That is a really good deal. Okay, I think I'm gonna look around a little bit and then I'm gonna head out because it's getting really packed in here, and I literally have peoplephobia because I am a stay-at-home body. but I'm gonna see if I can find anything. I am back. I have the goodies. Let's go through them. First of all, you guys, I am obsessed with this brand from Amazon called Pumi. They have really good high quality shirts that are a little bit compressing. They're double layered, so they feel not only do they feel nice, but the quality is really good and they're really pretty. I'm wearing one right now. It's just like a bodysuit, which I'm not a fan of bodysuits, but I found this one, and this is from the brand Love Streak. I got this one in a size medium, and this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty like cream eggshell color, and it has very similar material to the one that I'm wearing. This one does feel a little bit better quality, like a little bit softer, versus this feels a little bit more like a nylon slash spandex. For the price, this one was only $7.99 compared to these. I think these are about $25. So they're a little bit more expensive, but oh my gosh, I had to pick this one up. They also had them in like green, they had them in red, they had them in black, but I already have a black one and I really wanted the cream colored because I feel like neutrals are just so easy to style and so easy to wear. Love crew necks, I love sweaters, I love hoodies, I just love being in comfort. So I saw this one. I already took the tags off because I did use it. You're going to be able to see a little bit of my makeup right here. This is an oversized Malibu sweater. It's super cute, super comfy. I love the gray on gray. I think it's really cute. And the best thing about these is that not only are they comfortable, but you can either kind of like dress them up a little bit or just keep them super simple. So I bought this little like long sleeve turtleneck sweater. It's just a plain white. I love layering these two together. So if you wear this on under and then you kind of let the turtleneck peek through, it just looks kind of like a preppy schoolgirl look. I don't know, it's a vibe, but I love it. So in the pillow section, I ended up taking the gray pillows. Now I have to see how they look. I will insert a clip on me arranging them, and I don't know if I'm going to keep them because I haven't done that yet until I go down and do it after this video. But these are the ones that I ended up grabbing. They are oversized. I want to say they're probably like 24 by 24, which is like a Eurosham size, and these were only $19.99, so $10. Okay, so these are 20 inches, which are still pretty big. They're really pretty. I love the gray with like the white little tassel on the side. So I have a little nook area in my kitchen, and I recently added a cushion to like the nook area because it was all wood and it was starting to peel the paint. So I was like, you know what, let me do something about it. And my mom helped me. So I had this extra foam from a mattress that was just laying there, and we measured it, we cut it. My mom is a seamstress and she helped me to sew a piece of fabric on top of it. Now this piece of fabric, I got it from Joann's, and it's for outdoor because I wanted something that was going to be durable, long lasting, and that could wash easily or clean easily because hello, I have a toddler, I have kids, and you know how kids are. But anyways, I ended up getting that. I also got this one. I have to see how it looks, and if I love it, then I am going to keep it. If not, I'm going to return it. So I am going to keep the tags on it, but this is just this is from the brand Beekman Home, which I've seen a lot at Ross recently, and they have very nice, luxurious looking products. This one was $12.99, and it is pretty big. Like, look at how big that is. I love the color of it. It's really pretty, and I just feel like it adds a touch of like, I don't know, like almost like elegance to your pillow. So love this one, but again, not sure if I'm going to keep it. I didn't really buy anything as far as like makeup because I didn't find anything that truly called my name, and I really didn't want to just buy for the sake of buying. But this 5-piece brush set, I was like, oh my gosh, this actually looks really nice. I opened it to feel the material of the bristles, and it feels really nice. This one was only $5.99 or $4.99, so super affordable. This is by a makeup artist, Mana Kadar. They have a picture of her in the back. These actually feel really nice. This is a really nice smaller brush to get into the crease and blend it out. And then this one is a little slanted. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but I think this one would be great for either like blending your concealer or maybe like setting your lid, just how I have this shadow. just kind of like patting it in and then blending it out. That would be really nice. This one as well is a great packing brush. And then we have a little liner brush to create a little wing, or if you want to clean under your brows. And then this one is a little more dense and a little more short. I'm not sure, maybe this one for your lower lash line or for blending the crease. The quality feels really nice on those, so I had to get them. As I was checking out though, I was looking at the jewelry and I saw these. I've been wanting some of these for so long. These were only $5.99 and look at how cute they are. Oh my gosh, I love me a good short chunky earring. Like, these are just so pretty. I had to get these. So that pink knitted sweater, I ended up taking it. I got it in a size small. I don't have, okay, I do have very little pink in my wardrobe and I want to add some fun colors. This one was, let's see, $9.99, and I love that you can either wear these alone with like a cute bralette, or you can wear it with a white top, some simple jeans, maybe some Uggs or some sneakers. I have some pink Nikes that I think would look really cute, but I ended up coming across this little bodysuit and oh my goodness, like, this is so sexy, but it's so pretty. It has the beautiful lace. It has it around the stomach area. I was like, you know what? This paired with the cardigan, I think will look really, really cute. I will probably wear it closed and then maybe like off the shoulder so you guys can peek through or see a little sneak peek of the lace, just because I don't like to show my stomach. But that one I had to get. The shirt was, how much was the shirt? This one was super cheap too. I think it was $9.99. So everything was like under $10. Then I saw this Maui Moisture Hair Care Lightweight Hydration Conditioner. That was a very long description. And oh my gosh, I smelled it. Y huele bien rico. Oh my gosh, it smells so tropical and fruity and delicious. I bought this actually for Lonnie because homegirl goes through conditioner like it's nobody's business because she has thick long hair. And yeah, this one was only $4.99 and it smells delicious. The last thing that I got is the Britney Spears perfume. So like I mentioned in the video, I am on a mission to collect every single Britney Spears perfume. The other one, I didn't get it because I wasn't convinced. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the scents that I used to use because I know I love them, and then I will venture out and blindly buy her scents. So I think I'm going to make room on this shelf where I have all my body sprays. I'm going to just take them all out, maybe give them to my mom or to friends because they're all opened and some used, some are very lightly used. I don't want to throw them away. But I'm going to make room for all my Britney Spears perfumes. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I used to be obsessed with this scent. Look at this. The bottle is so cute. And this one was super cheap. It was what, $11.99 I think? Something like that, like $10.99? Yeah, $10.99. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, this takes me back to my youth. Oh, that is so nostalgic. Oh my gosh. I used to use this, I think when I was like maybe 19, 20, something like that. I don't know, but I know I was dating my boyfriend at the time and he gifted me the big size. Because I was obsessed with it. I also have this one, Britney Fantasy, and this one is like halfway gone. I don't know if you can't see it, but I'm like halfway done with this because I love it. This one is so sweet, very sugary, very cotton candy like, but they both smell so good. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to go on this Britney Spears perfume collection journey. Let me know where I can find more, okay? Because I am literally going to be on the hunt every time I go to TJ Maxx, Ross, Marshalls, you name it, I will be buying me at least one. So that is it, you guys. That was the haul. Thank you so much for shopping with me. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you guys want to continue to see these videos, because I love shopping. I love fashion, but I'm just always so shy. I think I'm gonna step out of my comfort zone if you guys enjoy this content. Okay, so that is it for me. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Stay safe, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!